through the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Chang and I'm a software engineer living in Tokyo, Japan. This is some days in my life. A little bit about my background. I actually studied economics in college, but for some reasons I ended up going to Japan and writing code for a living. How that all happened is not a very exciting story to tell. As an introverted person, I find myself keeping doing this job because it allows me to work without having to leave my bed, going out, or talking to a lot of people. I mean, what's not to love, right? Well, the salary maybe. There was an election campaign going on. You can see that iconic Senko cars or vans with loudspeakers driving around, broadcasting speeches to attract votes for a candidate. If you're in Japan during election season, this is really hard to miss. We're definitely not knowledgeable enough for any kind of political discussions, but somehow all this election campaign inspired my boyfriend to dive back into politics. So here we are, surrounded by newspapers and textbooks. Wish us luck.
She's running for Japan Congress, I would say. Congressman or congresswoman.
For today's dinner, I baked some seafood and melted cheese. It looks so delicious from the outside, but the texture is a little bit powdery.
What?
There are this cute little pastry shop near our place, so we decided to check it out this morning. Everything looks so freshly baked. This was twice the price of regular bread that we usually get, so we'd better taste twice as good. Don't know if that logic makes sense.
はい、どうも、じゃあ動画にありがとうございました。
ちっちゃいのが下ね。
何が？
ちっちゃいのが下。Small things down first.
Okay.
I mean, everything you wear is small.
For you, yeah.
The neck can be buttoned down like this. But this one is not. Doesn't have. I used to eat it a lot when I was high school. There was a one restaurant that's close to us, probably only one restaurant.
懐かしい。On our way home, we made a quick stop at the supermarket and found a nuts buffet. Since we're both huge fans of nuts, there was no way we could leave here empty-handed, so we grabbed a mix of our favorites for some nice snacking. Yes. Okay, I guess that's enough for today's video. Thanks for watching.